Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look at it. This slide is going to look great in PowerPoint. Okay, let's see how we can create it. At first, you need to have a new slide. Sometimes the slide be more simpler, it's better for the result. Now you need this two thing, how you create them. You see why there are too many of them. It has its own reason. Let's take a look at the transition. You see the transition, these two things has a little effect that created by at first adding one of this by holding shift. The shift is going to make it look better, and then flip one time here and one time here. Now you need to simply align it center. Okay, now you need to align center, align middle. Your first shape is created. The color is up to you, but we are going to go with black for better contrast. It's up to you. As always, I say you can format the object and from here change the color if you want. I'm going to go with black. Don't forget to set the to none. Now you won't have this text. This text is just easy one created using this font, Kristen ITC. Now, but you see the effect is not like we want. So how we can create the effect? Let's paste the text here. The creating the effect has a little trick. The trick here is that you need to create a circle here, create a rectangle here and here. And you need them to be a slight background and with no line. And also you need to copy these two by holding Ctrl and bring them here. Increase them in size a little here. Okay, now you copy this slide and here you select these two. Okay, these two, bring them out and select these two and bring them out and select these things and bring it out and bring it out. Then your slide is ready. Just set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. You see it looks pretty great. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.